We are proactively working on several different projects. With the new addition of industrial truck beds, we're offering a full line of snow-related switch and go style, roll-off style bodies. We do offer stainless steel custom dump bodies, which are perfect for winter applications. When you talk about the North American market, things that are on our to-do list, if you will, would involve much larger stainless steel spreaders for the municipal market, offering much larger combination spreaders in the poly line. Specifically, very uniquely American, if you will, would be stainless steel under tailgate spreaders that could be retrofitted with our tech and tracking technology. So it's really about a melding and an improvement of the battle-tested products we've had in Europe and upgrading them, quite frankly, and making them larger to fit the North American market. Hilltip makes a full line of snow plows that have not officially been released to the North American market. In Europe, the applications for plows differ a little bit from North America insofar as over there we utilize tractors and skid steers and loaders more so than we do trucks. That line is scheduled for release in the US at some point. We just have not made it available yet.